Sandworm pudding. Okay, today, you've heard of dirt pudding with the gummy worms that are made with the chocolate Oreos. But what if you do not like chocolate or you want something different? This is an easy to please, easy recipe that my grandson David is going to show you how easy it is to do.
Hello.
Now we're going to start out. You could use vanilla pudding, butterscotch pudding, but he prefers the lemon. Just any kind of instant pudding that you would think would remind you of sand. So he's going to start off putting a package of instant lemon pudding in here. Okay, and then he's going to add 2 cups of cold milk. Yeah, just pour it in there. Okay. And he is going to whip this up for 2 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now this will take 1 package of instant pudding. It can be vanilla, butterscotch, or lemon. 2 cups of cold milk, an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, 30 to 40 vanilla wafers crushed, and of course your gummy worms. Now if you're using lemon, if you want a more lemon flavor, you can add grated lemon peel to it. He has stirred this for 2 minutes and we're going to let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, it has been 5 minutes, so now David is going to stir in some Cool Whip, that whole bowl of Cool Whip. David's going to take the wire whisk and go ahead and mix all that together. We had to switch over to a spoon. He's got to really dig down deep to get that pudding brought up to where the Cool Whip is.
So,
this is his first time doing it, so he'll get better next time he does it.
And also my first time on camera.
Now previously, David had taken some vanilla wafers and crumbled them up, and we've got about 2 cups of cookie crumbs, and he's going to put half a cup in there and stir it into the pudding. Okay. Now stir that up real good.
Do I need the
No, use the spoon. A bigger spoon might have been better.
Make it look nice and like it's sand.
We have the choice that we can put it in 1 big serving container, or we can put it in these little individual. We can put them in these little individual cups for individual servings when we have a party for all his friends. And he's going to fill it up about that much. What's your favorite movie with sandworms in it?
Star Wars.
And how about Dune? Do you watch Dune?
Nope.
Oh, just the Star Wars.
Yeah. Actually, I haven't watched Star Wars. There's a Lego game about it.
But does the Lego have sandworms in it?
Yes. And also a lot of media that I watched has it.
Okay. Yeah, that's probably plenty full.
Yeah,
because you gotta leave room for the cookie crumbs. Because we gotta put more sand on top. Hey, how about a Star Wars Lego party? Okay, now he is ready. He's got his cups filled up about 2/3, 3/4 full, and now he's ready to add the sand.
Sprinkle it on there. We're going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours, give or take. And we're going to put these I'm going to put these gummy worms inside there with me and my friends. So, 3 hours are done, and the pudding is done. So, you see these gummy worms here? You could add 1, you can add 2, you can add 3, you can add 5. But usually what I like to do, I like to add 1 to each one. So it's like their own little desert that they're all in, eating a bunch of sand. Let me just add this real quick. Anyways, just to show how good it is, I'm going to eat it now. So all of you guys are jealous that you guys cannot eat it. You may be thinking, how good is it really? As good as a sandworm can be. So if you don't like it, that means that sandworms aren't good. If you like it, that means sandworms are good.
Thank you so much, David, for your help in making this video special. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any more of these easy to please recipes.